Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Abha here, your psychic medium. Welcome back. I'm starting monthly readings again from today onwards. From this month onwards, for every sign I'm going to upload monthly readings in the beginning of the month or in the end of the previous month, so that you should know what is happening and where is it heading towards. But this is going to be a very general reading. You can see whether it resonates with your sun sign or your moon sign or your rising sign, whatever you can take. And so let's start. Let's jump onto our Pisces reading. Pisces, my Pisces out there, I'm also Pisces. So I'm so excited to do this reading. Let's start. Let's see what are current energies with Pisces and where is it heading towards. I can see Six of Cups, while shuffling. I can see somebody coming back towards you, Pisces. It could be a past person or a new person with the soulmate energy. Somebody is coming towards you in the month of June. With Mercury retrograde, I guess it's very obvious. This could be a young person who has an air element prominent in their chart. Wow, Page of Cups. Page of Cups with strength. Page of Cups is an offer or a proposal, romantic proposal. Somebody young who is very enthusiastic to start something with you, who is very creative in nature. This person who is coming towards you could be very creative in nature, Pisces. Strength. You are looking good, Pisces. You are doing really good in this month of June. You are attracting a lot of people with the strength in your chart. In your cards. With the strength in your cards, I guess you are attracting a lot of people this month. You are doing good, you are looking good, you are very confident, you are wanting more attention, you are liking attention in the month of June, I can see. So a lot of people coming towards you, but out of them I can see Page of Cups. Page of Cups is the person who's wanting something romantic with you, Pisces. Let's see, we will clarify what's going to happen with Pisces in the month of June. Wow, King of Cups. See, another water sign. So King of Cups, Justice, with King of Pentacles. So this could be two person. As I said, more than one person is coming towards you. This could be two persons, or this could be one person with King of Pentacles energy as well. Somebody who is internally like a King of Pentacles but may appear more of King of Cups. Somebody who is very good with communication, somebody who is very diplomatic in their approach, somebody who is good looking and who is getting attention of people. Everybody loves them, they love everyone, like King of Cups kind of personality, very warm personality. This person inside is very loyal, very committed, very grounded, down to earth personality. So somebody is coming towards you, Pisces. This person is coming towards you. If it is, if somebody who is male who is watching this, then that could mean that this could be a female who has the qualities of King of Cups and a King of Pentacles who is coming towards you. With the Justice is a card of decision making, so that means in the month of June you might have to take a decision, important decision here. It could be related to love relationship or it could be related to something else. We will clarify later. But yes, somebody is coming with an offer or a proposal. Those who are married, those who are all not looking for a romantic relationship, this could be an offer. This could be a creative offer from somebody like King of Cups personality. This could be an offer for creative projects or creative work. This could be an offer for collaboration as well. So let's see, we will clarify now what's going to happen with Pisces in the month of June. Wow, Pisces. Pisces, you are right now in a very different energy, I can see. So Pisces, somewhere you're feeling quite struggle with respect to something. It could be a financial struggle, or it could be feeling of left out in the cold. I'm so sorry for the noise at the background. This is my pet who is like, I'm so sorry for that. But yeah, Five of Pentacles is a card of struggle of something, or it could be this is something which is happening in your energies right now, Pisces. This tells me that you are in an energy of feeling left out in the cold, or you may be struggling to achieve something, struggling to manifest something in your life. So this is your current energies, but then your blockage, your hindrance is the risk. You are somewhere hesitant to take a risk towards new beginnings. So this could be a risk related to new beginnings, or this could be a risk related to trusting a new person. So somewhere you are hesitant to take that risk towards something new in your life. Now root cause for this is Eight of Cups, because somewhere you are afraid of unknown. You are afraid that somewhere you may land into unknown territory which may not be good for you. So Eight of Cups suggests me that you have a fear of unknown here. In the recent past, death. This is not a literal death. This could be for few people, but this is not a literal death in tarot. This means a transformation or a change happened in your life in the recent past. You changed yourself. Within you have changed a lot in your recent past. At present, Pisces, you are somewhere looking at the past losses, and that's the reason why you have a fear that you may again get into the losses. So now you have a fear of getting into that same position again. That is the reason why you're not taking a risk towards new beginnings here. So sorry, yeah. In the near future, I have a card of Three of Pentacles, guys. In the near future, I have a card of Three of Pentacles. Let's see, we will clarify this card. What does it mean with Three of Pentacles? You are collaborating with somebody. You are working with somebody. If it is like you're looking for a job, then you're getting a job, you're collaborating with somebody. It could be that you're coming into partnership with someone, or you are you are joining somewhere into a job position. So Three of Pentacles also mean that sometimes it is you're collaborating with a person for forming a relationship. So let's just see, what does it mean here. So many cards. Why is Three of Pentacles here for Pisces in your future? Page of Pentacles, Knight of Pentacles, King of Pentacles. See, another King of Pentacles. So somebody is coming towards you, but you are hesitant to actually work with that person. You are hesitant to collaborate with that person or work on this project, or if it is related to relationship, as the cards came in the beginning, that somebody from your past is coming to offer you something more stable here. Now you are hesitant to take that move. You are hesitant to pursue or communicate with that person, but yes, you are somewhere initiating that conversation with them. How you are seeing this person, or how you are seeing this situation, is like you are being very logical, very practical. Right now, Pisces, you are being highly practical in your decisions, in your approach. You are just being rational. You have gained experience from the past of these kind of situations, and now you are using your wisdom, and which is good. Sometimes, Pisces, it is important to be practical. Mostly Pisces are very emotional sign, but this time I can see they are turning into very practical. They are taking practical decisions. So, which is good, Pisces. Two of Cups is in your surroundings, in your environment. Somebody is wanting here Two of Cups with you. As you can see in this card, somebody is wanting to collaborate with you. Somebody is wanting to have a partnership with you. This could be a relationship for those who are single, or looking for a relationship, or waiting for somebody to come from the past. You are coming into that relationship. Somebody in your environment is wanting this with you, Pisces. This could be related to work, because this is a general reading, so this can be a work related, or some form of partnership related to some other project as well. When it comes to hopes and fears, we have a card of 10 of swords. You have a fear. Remember, I told you that you have a fear of unknown, you have a fear of failures, you have a fear of losing yourself again. And 10 of swords, 10 of swords is the card of feeling victimized. As you can see in this card, the person is backstabbed. So you have this fear in your mind that you may land up in this position again, and therefore you are not trusting this person, you are not you're not taking a leap of faith in this situation, but you are initiating, you are starting to take a baby steps basically with this person. You might take a baby steps to talk to that person. With 6 of swords in the outcome, you are moving towards better time. You are coming out of these fears, you are coming out of helplessness, you are coming out of sadness and the struggle you are facing. So right now, this is your situation. You are facing this struggle, you are feeling left out in the cold, but you are coming out of this in the month of June. With 6 of swords, you are joining your tribe here. You can see he's not alone. He is with few other people as well. So you are joining, you are working with people, you are joining people, you are working with them, you are moving forward. If it is related to love relationship, you are getting a ray of hope, you are moving towards better times. We are going to clarify these cards now. Let's just use these cards. Why is 6 of swords here? Why is 6 of swords here in the outcome position for Pisces? Pisces, you are becoming confident here. See, by the end of the month, you will be like, you are thriving. You are getting confident. You are gaining your confidence. Why is 6 of swords? Three of Cups. Imagine 3 of Cups, 3 of Pentacles. Okay, we had 3 of Pentacles here. 3 of Cups, you are forming a connection with someone. You are coming into connection. You are forming this relation. This could be wedding for few people. Ascending to a new level in a relation. This could be just sharing or networking for few people, but I strongly feel that this whole reading is somewhere going in a direction where you are coming into partnership with somebody, you are forming a relation, you are coming in, you're sharing, you are, you're no more feeling that struggle which you are right now feeling. So in the month of June, it's going to be turning out very good for you, Pisces. You are coming into partnership with someone, whether into relationship or into, business, work, career, finances, or into some other project. But because in the beginning I received the card of Page of Cups with strength, these are beautiful cards, Pisces. These are just beautiful. You are gaining your strength. You are looking good. People are getting influenced by you. For those who are into social media or YouTube or some other platforms, they are getting more attention from people out there. Page of Cups, somebody is coming with a proposal and offer. So, yeah, Pisces, you are doing good in the month of June. So, this is your reading. This was your general read. Do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button so that you keep getting bell icon. Sorry. Hit the bell icon and subscribe to my channel so that you keep getting updated videos. You keep getting monthly videos from now onwards. And stay tuned. Take good care of yourself. Stay safe, Pisces. Bye.